I want to know. Well, ask the friends. Maybe they know. Why this old man? Why did he play paddywhack? Paddywhack. Why paddywhack? I like the song about the old man. He played 1, he played 2, he played 3. He played and played and played. This old man, he was playing like crazy. Like crazy he played, this man. Why is the paddywhack? Whack? Like he played 1. This old man, he played 1. He played knick-knack on my phone. Paddywhack. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Rolling home. This old man, he played 2. He played knick-knack on my shoe. Knick-knack, paddywhack. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Paddywhack. Oh, this old man, he played 3. He played knick-knack on my knee. Knick-knack, paddywhack. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Rolling, baby, oh, rolling. Man, he played 4. He played knick-knack on the floor. Knick-knack on the floor. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came roll it, baby, roll it. This old man, he played 5. What else did he do? By my side with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Roll it, baby, roll it. Oh, this old man, he played 6. He played knick-knack with my sticks and a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Roll it on home. This old man, he played 7. He played knick-knack up in heaven and a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. Knick-knack, paddywhack. This old man, he played 8. He played 8 and get it straight with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. That's what we said. This old man came roll it, baby, roll it. This old man, he played 9. He played knick-knack all the time. Knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man, give a dog a bone. Oh, this old man, he played 10. He played knick-knack with his friends. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Home, baby, roll it home. Paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Ay. Why does he rolling home? Which is this man? Does he have a driver's license? I would like to see the driver's license of this old man. So maybe he has a name.